Count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Akin na muna yung...
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Then I wonder if it all was up inside of trouble. You're my Mona Lisa. Ayan na.
You'll always be beautiful in my eyes.
Do you know that song?
Yeah.
Like it.
She's wondering what clothes to wear. Sige.
Believe what I say, so here I am. Gonna make sure we don't have something yet. It's Chloe's
Pwede na.
time.
Chloe's turn.
Okay, come on.
You don't need to do like that.
The color, don't touch the color blue.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Okay.
Ben! Meron na pala si Ben. Meron na? Ay, may wine na?
O, dito tayo. Dito tayo sa live. Dito tayo dito. Dito tayo ikot.
Okay, come on, let's go toast. Yeah, we have to toast. Bella! Bella! Daddy, wait.
Cheers!
Wait, no.
Ayan, dito tayo. Ha? Oh, tagal, di ba? 10 minutes ang sa'yo eh. Sa ano, parang 10 minutes lang. O, dito ikot tayo.
Diwal, dun ka sa harapan.
Dito, dito ka sa harapan. Facing us.
Wait lang, i-video ka lang ng ano.
How about the game?
Yes, we do game.
Happy New Year!
Yes, we do game. Wait lang, dito muna, picture muna dito. Picture muna
sige,
daw.
sige.
Dito muna sa akin, picture.
Okay, picture muna.
Okay, 1, 2,
Lloyd.
1, 2, and 3.
Saan ka?
With the fireworks.
Okay. Okay. Happy New Year! 2026! Yun!
2026, let's enjoy the fireworks.
Yay!
Happy New Year!
Okay! Happy New
Alright. You guys.
Happy birthday, Dad.
More money,
Oh,
Daddy.
no, with that.
Say it again. I really do think that London do the best
London!
New Year's Eve. Can I, at this moment, wish you a very happy New Year? I have my glass.
May nakalive pa doon. Hello!
Ayan, nakalagay. Oh, cheers!
Cheers!
Ay, si Jonalyn, si Jonah, Jonah,
Everything
tsaka si Jason, si JJ, Happy New Year!
amazing. You at home will have seen what they didn't see
Meron pa dun.
down on the back.
Meron pa ito, masarap masarap ito Prosecco yun. Ito pa meron pa Prosecco.
Make sure we don't have something yet. Apo, ang dami. Okay, that's it, Bella. Finish. What did you have?
Ang ganda na natin ang sounds
Okay, what did you
Balita.
have? You have Pringles?
Balitan mo nga yun.
Paniconi? Rocky Crackle. Okay lang.
Ano plan?
Chloe's
Pwede na.
time.
Chloe's turn.
Jewel, look ha.
One.
I just
Two. And then one more scoop. Three. Oh! That's a lot!
What you got? What you got, Chloe? What you got? What did you got?
What can you read this, please?
Okay, extra sanitizer, baby wipes.
Baby wife.
Baby wipes.
And Milo.
Milo.
Honey.
Milo. Dalawang Milo.
Ramen.
Honey.
Honey.
Honey. Honey.
Honey, akala ko honey chocolate.
Caramel.
Pistachio caramel bar.
Wow, ang dami naman, Ate Chloe.
Ilan ba yan?
Wow.
Wow, baby wipes. Ramen. Oh my God, may noodles ka pa.
Not spicy,
Dalawang
no?
Milo.
Dalawang Milo. Naku, wow.
Okay, that's yours, Chloe.
Yay! Happy New Year!
You're welcome. Happy New Year, Chloe.
Happy New Year.
Yung kay Bill, hindi ko nakuhaan kanina. O Jewel, practice mo na. O ilan mo na. O, mamaya. O si Jewel na, si Jewel.
Jewel.
O wait lang, Jewel. One.
Oh, sa other side, other side, other side. The other side. Very good.
In the left. The left. Left. Go to left. Go on the right. Go on the right. Right.
Okay,
Ayan, sige na.
okay, slow. Okay, go.
Ayan.
Oh, yeah.
Two.
Okay, again.
Hulog. Alam mo na lang. O, yan. O. Okay, let's go.
What
Let's
is
go.
yours?
Okay. Tirahan nyo naman kami.
What did you have?
Jewel, wala si Jewel.
Jewel, come on.
Oh, ano mo? Ano mo yung
Okay,
price?
your prize. Rocket caramel.
Wow!
Ramen.
Wow! Favorite ni Jewel! Noodles!
Watermelon lip balm.
Wow! May lipang ka na! May lipang ka na!
What do you say?
Lip balm again.
Oh! May lipang ka na!
Ano ba?
Akala ko tatlong lang lakot.
Hindi. Ramen, lip balm, Rocky.
Ano yan?
Rocket caramel again.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my God.
Oh yeah! Oh, ano ba sabihin mo? Thank you! Happy New Year!
Good
Okay.
job. Oh, the time color.
No.
This is how to do it.
I'll show you how to play.
Sila na lang maglaro kita.
Itong isa, dito ka, sa isa, walang space. Jewel, you sit down here. Di mo ba
Jewel,
little bit,
dito ka,
Bella?
Jewel.
Di mo ba little bit?
Yan, para ano?
Yes.
Yan.
Oh, like this.
Listen to the teacher, yeah, okay?
She's a teacher.
Yes! How to
She's
do it?
lovely.
Yes, of course. Yan, now listen, ha?
This one, I'm going to give money. Whoever won.
Oh no, now I want to win.
Okay?
Sige lang, yun naman. Kailangan sumigaw sila, no? Para mawala yung ano. Sure, bad spirit. Oh, bad spirit. Yeah, kailangan sumigaw sila.
Hurry up, guys. They're crazy. Gilgil.
Ayan.
Shall we go trial?
Wait.
Oh, trial.
Shall we go trial? Okay, shall we go trial?
Yes.
Who first?
Okay.
You don't, Jewel,
Touch the color that I'm going to say.
don't touch the color,
Okay.
ha?
Okay.
You have to
Okay.
touch another color.
Anong kulay ito? Green, purple, tsaka blue?
Green,
Blue.
purple.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jewel.
Purple. No, I don't.
Don't touch the color.
You have to touch another color.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Example lang naman yun.
Sample
That
lang
example
yan.
only.
Okay, one more
again.
time.
One more.
One more time. Don't touch the color. Don't touch the color blue. Good job.
I'm in green.
Yes.
No. It wasn't like a fish only because the car went here.
Okay. Don't touch the color green.
Green.
Dahan-dahan na.
Pisano ah.
Parang gusto ko mas magalang tayo kasi parang tahimik sila, no? Don't touch the color blue.
Blue. Oh.
Don't touch the color purple.
Purple.
Don't touch the color green.
Green. Oh,
Don't touch the color purple.
Purple. Ang galing. Naku,
7.
malo yung utak nila.
Mabilis yung ano nila. Good job talaga kayo, ha?
Don't touch the color
Don't
blue.
Oh, huwag kayo mag-alala.
Don't touch the color blue. Yeah, there's one bubble.
Mahirap ko sila sa opo.
Don't touch the color
Oh, listen.
green.
Green!
Don't touch the color blue.
Blue!
Don't touch the color purple.
Purple! Mukhang abot ang umaga dito.
Don't touch the color purple.
Don't touch the color blue.
Blue! Sino? Oh, Jewel. Oh, go.
It's out of the game. It's 1
Okay.
Okay.
Between Belle and Jewel.
Yung pinayad ni ate, yung papapremyo.
Ayan. Go, Jewel.
Whoever won,
Oh.
10 pounds, okay?
10 pounds, ayan. Okay. Ba?
Baka sabihin siya, nagloloko ako eh.
Ayan.
Galing nyo eh. Don't touch. Okay, we can make it faster, ha?
Oh, faster, eh? Of course.
Sige. Don't touch the color green. Don't touch the color purple.
Purple!
Don't touch the color blue.
Blue!
Don't touch the color green.
Green!
Don't touch the color purple. Don't touch the color blue.
Blue!
Don't touch the color green.
Green!
Don't touch the color purple. Don't touch the color blue.
Blue! Wow! Okay, ah. Hati na lang, hati.
I won. 5.
Now, all of you na lang can.
Oh, yeah.
Look, and Jewel went.
No, we have also. Ayan mo na lang, ano.
Chloe.
Ayun, anong pag-games mo naman?
Why did you say that to Chloe?
Wait lang ha.
Yay! Thank you!
What will you say to Santa? Santa!
Oh, thank you!
That's important thing you participate, okay?
Yes!
Oh, now,
Oh, sasayaw na lang, sayaw. Oh, yun na, sayaw na lang.
Ano ba bang mo?
Doon, bang mo.
No, I'm doing paint.
I'm mag-painting ko.
Enjoy! Go!
Yay, Belle!
Go!
Let's go.
I will win next time.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Time.
Yes! You can do it!
You can do that.
Come on.
Yeah!
Can I have the food?
Go.
Oh, let's win. Come on.
You can do it, Jewel!
You can do it.
Yeah!
Yes. Okay,
So Belle won first.
Wala ba?
Chloe and Belle.
Chloe and Belle.
Sit down there.
Okay.
Steady.
Go. Go, Belle. Go, Belle. I don't go.
Go, Chloe! Go, Chloe! Go, Chloe! Go, Chloe! Yeah! Yay! Good job!
I'm super impressed.
Okay. Oh, prize, mommy.
Who won the ano? Wala ng consolation prize yung dalawa dyan. May consolation prize yung Hindi. Winner yung para surprise. Si
Sige.
Chloe ang nanalo. Tapos yun, consolation prize kasi nakikita nila.
Open it. Oh, siya's the winner, no?
Oh, wow!
Oh! Wow! This is the winner! Then we have all winner! Yeah.
Yay! Good job! Oh,
Yay!
wow!
Yay! Amazing!
Show me the prizes!
Show the prize! Show the prize!
Yay!
I'm going to use this at church.
Yeah.
You can bring it at the church.
I'm trying to
Did you ask her?
Can we switch? Do you want?
Did you ask her first?
Do you want? So can I switch? Can we switch? I want that one. Do you want? Shall Shall we do this one?
Happy New Year! Oh, Happy New Year!
Ay,
Oh,
nagising na si JR.
outro muna tayo. Ngayon guys, yung vlog namin, ito na. Outro muna.
At your bye vlog.
See you 2026. Oh, bye-bye muna. Arceline. May muna kayo. Bye-bye.
New Year.
Happy
Thank
New
you,
Year.
thank you.
See you again next year. See you again next year.
Bye.
Bye.
See you next year.
See you again next
It's already next year, guys.
Maga pa.
Mga ano ninyo?
Lasing na kami guys. Kasi
Have a good New Year.
oh, swerte tayo sa atin. Jewel,
More swerte to come.
Mom, shall we open it? Yes.
open nyo doon, open. See you guys, Happy New Year, yeah? See you next year.